Hey guys, first of all, two disclaimers. If you see my clock flickering like that throughout the video, ignore it. But also, my vent there is vibrating for some random reason, and I don't know why. But if you hear that, ignore it. I'm unboxing this vlogging kit by DigiPower. I got this for Easter along with this lava lamp here, which I was gonna do an unboxing video of, but I didn't. I did make a review video on this, which may be out before this video, depending on how I want to upload these videos, because I've got videos coming. Anyway, so includes looks like a light, a microphone, and phone mount, and a tripod. On the back, did have a seal here, but I cut it off camera so I wouldn't have to. Wouldn't have to gosh dang it. Wouldn't have to do it on camera. You can open the lava lamp without opening it. Okay, so it looks like we have, here's the stand. It's very simple. So yeah, here's the stand itself, where you put your phone into. You have instructions. You have a micro USB cable. We have the light. Okay, it does not have any charge on it. You have a battery for something. Here's the little microphone. It does have a microphone output or input, I guess. If I were to use this with my phone, I'd need a adapter because I have the iPhone 11, which needs this thing. Okay, so with my phone, I'll just unplug this here. I've got a lightning to headphone jack adapter, and I've got the microphone plugged into the headphone jack adapter. I'm gonna plug this into my phone. Now this should be working. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, so this is the microphone audio quality test. I don't know how well it'll sound, but you guys can tell me. I'm speaking right near the microphone, so yeah. I will now I'll just gonna unplug the microphone now, and I will show you what it looks like compared to my phone's microphone on my iPhone. Unplugged. This is the microphone on my iPhone. As you can see, it's unplugged. Plug it back in. Again, audio test from the microphone. And now my iPhone. Hello, can you hear me? I'm wondering if you were in California. I'm just kidding. Any of the light, which I think it doesn't turn on because I think it's dead. We will quickly plug it in and see whether it is good or not. How bright things actually. Get in the hole. There we go. It's pretty bright. I guess I'll just plug this in over here. And we'll let that charge. I'm gonna test the stand. Tripod. I'm currently on it right now. As I can hold it. So I'm currently what it looks like. So yeah, here's the thing. Here I am using both the microphone and the tripod. There's my lava lamp, my regular lamp, light over there in the corner. Got my floor lamp. And we have my light switch. We have this lamp as well here, which does not turn on for some reason. There we go. So that was an unboxing and I guess review as well of this vlogging kit by Digipatter. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye. Okay, bye.